Now, to keep on, now Delhi, we we are in the my family have three children, and the last my child boy, his name Muhammad Yusuf Takwa. He is going to Alumame, about 10 kilometers from here, to accompany his mother, and they are driving motorbike to heading Alumame village. He cannot take a part with us here to take a video recording, and his mother, my wife, also cannot take a part to recording this video for my homework next time maybe. So that's it. I can inform you that we are small family, with happy family. Yeah, sometime have dynamics internal family. uh, they supporting me to studying at the ISB to get knowledge about art, about culture research, culture and poetry, yeah, sastra, or what's it mean, discourses, research in ISB, and we'll get inshallah graduates license certificate from ISB, hoping inshallah. That's it, Mrs. Miss Malinda. I can tell you, I can inform you about me, about myself, about my family. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.